Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to properly change your DNS or domain name system for your custom URL or domain on Namecheap. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you guys can probably tell and see from my screen here, Namecheap themselves has actually provided a written step-by-step guide on how to do this. But what I'm here for is to help you understand just how these work and to guide you guys every step of the way. So with all that said, let's begin. So the way to actually change your DNS for your domain on Namecheap is as follows. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Namecheap account like so, and from the left sidebar or the left panel on the homepage, or the dashboard rather, you'll see an option that says a domain list. So what you want to do is you want to click on that and click on manage, as shown in this illustration here. Now, this will bring up a list of all of your own domains or websites. And what you want to do is you want to click on manage, like so. And next, it'll take you to a new page that looks a little something like this. So once you find yourselves here, it says in the name server section, select your preferred option from the drop-down menu and click on the green check mark to save the changes. Now that's assuming that you've successfully made the changes for your DNS for your web hosting website or domain rather. So to recap, once you see this little list of or rather the domain that you want to change, you want to simply click on manage, and you'll see something a little bit like this. And once you find yourselves here, you want to click on domain and scroll down to the uh, bottom section that says name servers, and here's where you actually get to change your DNS for your domain. So you can change it into a public DNS, a web hosting DNS, or a basic DNS. And once you're done with that, that's it. Simply click on save changes and you're done. So yeah, that's how you can change your DNS using Namecheap. So if this guide worked for you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel as well as making sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all that said, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.